Welcome back to Android Tutorials and our new series how to make a wallpaper apps in Android Studio. So in this series we are going to use Pixels API. We are not going to use Firebase because we have to upload the photos over there and we have to pay for the requests, and instead of that we are going to use a Pixels API which is easy to use and easy for implementation. Here we are getting the images copyright free, so there will be a no issue for the copyright. Let me show you that. It says legal simplicity. All photos and videos on Pixels can be downloaded and used for free. So we will not get a copyright anywhere from anywhere. So here it says what is allowed in our Pixels. If we are using their Pixels, then we should know what we can do with their photos and image videos. Otherwise we may get error or suspend. So here it says all photos and videos on Pixels are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to photographer or Pixels is not necessary, but always appreciate. If we give the credit, then they may get appreciation, but it is not necessary. And we can modify the photos and images from Pixels, and here it says some imaginary, and now we are going to see what we can't do with Pixels. We have to respect the hard works of their contributors and keep this restriction in our mind. Identifiable people may not appear in bad light or in a way that is offensive. Don't sell unaltered copies of photos and videos as a photo print or physical product with modifying it first. We are not endorsement of our product by people or brand with their images, and we can't redistribute or sell the photos on other stock or wallpaper platforms. So we cannot use these photos to selling purpose, not for modifying it and then have to sell, and we have to not make identifiable people. So this was our clones, cons and pros, and now let me show you the documentation of it, and then we are going to create our API key. So here it is introduction about Pixels API, that it provide a free photos and videos from Pixels, and we can directly or alternatively use the language libraries. If we don't see the language library, then we can see from unofficially by our own. And here is some guidelines about Pixel. It says whenever we are doing an API request to show the links to Pixel, we have to add text link or a link with this Pixel's logo, so they can our user can go through it. And it is not necessary to give the credit to the photographers, but if we do, then it is appreciation. We will get a minimum 200 requests per hour, means our API will be able to get a 200 requests per hour by default and to 20,000 requests per month. If we want higher limit, then we have to contact them. And here there is request statistic where we can limit our requests that are made by our application. And next is authorization. So here it says there is free API, we can get that from here, but we will get it soon in this video, and we will get the photos object in this JSON format, and we are going to use this curated photos, because this is receiving a real-time photos from the Pixels team. When they add at least one new photo per hour, then we will get into our application. So our application wallpapers will be fine. So we will get this type of parameters. So first parameter will be per page, and the default value of that is 15 and maximum is 80. We can change it in our application. We will do that in our upcoming videos. And here there is default page request, that is 1, and we will get the response in this format. So we will get page number per page, that will return the photos and array of photos, and next page link. So after that we can get more photos and videos, but as we are creating a wallpaper app, so we are just using curated photos, not using video objects, and we will get the image in this JSON format. You can see it from here. So here it says page and page number per page and photos list of array of photos. So here there is page per page. So here per page is equal to default value 1 and a string of photos. So in our application we are going to use original as a zoom image and medium for preview purpose. So we are going to use these two things, and then we are not going to use this like and next page links. We are going to get millions of photos by this pixels.com into our application if it is available in Pexels. So we will get that type of photos if we get API key. So to get API key we have to click on this joint button and then click on I want to download. Means here they are asking what we are mainly want to do. We are not going to share our photos to Pexels, but we are going to download. So we have to click on download and then write your first name and then email ID. So here I had written my email ID and now I am writing my password and click on create new account. So here our welcome screen will be appear, and we can view our downloaded photos group. We can make a collection and group of photos and download their application. Here it says welcome. We have confirmed. You have to confirm your email address. If we don't get it, then we have to check spam folder. So here is our Gmail open and we got our email. So click on that and confirm email. So after that we can close this, and here it says our account is created successfully. Now click on this icon and click on API to get the API, and documentation is here how to use, which I had already explained you in this video. So we are not going to go through it, and click on get started. So here we have to briefly explain why we are going to integrate their photos. So as we are making wallpaper app, so write something about wallpapers. So I want to create wallpapers app. So I apply. After that we don't have any URL of our website or application, so we are not going to use that, and click on request API key. So here we had requested API key, and now It says our API key is this. We can read the documentation to implement this API, and here we have created our API, and in our upcoming videos we are going to take this API and download our images into our application using this Pexels API. And in our application there will be many functionalities like loading the images into a recycler view, which will be unlimited. When we scroll, our new images will be loaded. There will be a search bar, notification, Google Analytics to our application, then performance checker, 5 to 6 category as per your wish, then rate, share, like buttons from our application only. So if you like this playlist, then give thumbs up to us, and if you want this complete playlist with Pixabay API, then you can write me in the comment section. We will make that videos also. So this was our first part of our playlist wallpaper app in Android Studio. So this, thanks for watching.